like me, I'm on Amazon every day, ordering something, looking at something, comparing prices, you know, just shopping. A lot of times I am looking for sewing tools or things that I may need for a particular project. I know Amazon will probably send it to me quickly, so that's my first stop. And then they have so many different other things you may need for sewing, and you may not be able to find it at your local fabric store. So Amazon has been my one-stop shop for things when I need it for particular projects. One of my favorite things I've bought from Amazon lately, probably in the last few weeks, is this TAILOR'S chalk. Such a good thing to have when you're sewing. You're always marking. And let me tell you, you know, recently that marking paper and your marking wheel, it hasn't been holding up and tracing those lines like I needed to. So this TAILOR'S chalk has definitely done the job. Really inexpensive on Amazon. Use it for everything. I even have a few pieces that's already broken up because I've been using it so much. But yes, definitely a fave at Amazon. TAILOR'S chalk. Next on my list of favorites from Amazon are fabric shears. Okay, I have gotten several types of fabric scissors from Amazon. This is my latest pair. I really like these. They have this nice weight to it, a smooth cut. These are the ginger fabric scissors from Amazon. Love them. Reasonably priced. They're showing me that they are doing the job. So yes, fabric scissors, excellent quality here. Love it. Now, if you know, I have fabric shears as well as a rotary cutter. I got all of them from Amazon because, like I said, it's convenient. They'll get it there fast, and I have the Fiskars rotary cutter. And yes, these are doing the job for me. All of these things that I'm discussing will be linked in the description box for you to look at yourself. But yes, definitely sewing tools from Amazon. Here you go. All right, next, buttons. Okay, anytime you're doing a project with buttons, I like to go to Amazon as well as my fabric stores. Okay, but they have a variety of cute different buttons as well. Now look at these. Your girl is wearing leopard today, and I found me some leopard buttons. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Yes, love these. I did a project with these in the springtime. Love them so much. I need to order some more leopard buttons. Okay, these are just like fab. And when you are doing particular projects, you just want that little statement that's going to stand out and make your outfit go like, yeah, how you doing? And these leopard buttons, they definitely do the job. Love these. Need to order some more before they get discontinued or out of stock. And then I found these little cute black and white buttons. I can't remember the project that I wanted to do, but this, oh, I have a project. I'm dropping stuff. I have a project that I could do with these. I'm thinking about now, maybe one of my high-low tops. Love these as well. Cute black and white buttons. Perfect for a nice button-down shirt, a dress or something. Love these, love them, and love them again. So yes, buttons are a go-to for Amazon as well. They have a cute variety, reasonably priced as well. Because sometimes if you go to your fabric stores, they may not have enough, or they may have just, you know, simple, plain, run-of-the-mill type stuff. But like I said, you can find that, you know, variety and vibey buttons on Amazon. All right, quilting pins. These pins are a staple. Okay, if you think about your grandmother, your mother, or whoever in your family may have sewed back in the day, they had some pins like this, and these still do the job, and I use them all the time. So I ordered a couple of packs of these lately. I haven't had to open this one yet, but I love these. These are those pins that just hold everything in place. You don't have to worry about, you know, your pattern coming apart or your fabric falling apart if you pin them down correctly. So yes, Drix pins, love them. Easy to get to on Amazon. They deliver them to your house. You're right there. One of my Amazon favorites here, these pins. And okay, so one thing about me, I I weigh options like, okay, do I want to drive to the store and go get these pins, or do I just want them to come to my house? And then I'm also looking at the cost, right? Because, you know, regardless, depending on how far your local fabric store is, and the drive, and the maneuvering of how you're gonna get there, and the time you're gonna take to get there, and all that stuff, you know, it's just easier to be at home and get the stuff to your house. I'm serious, because it's too much. You gotta go and stand in line. My fabric store is not that far. However, you know, they have a line most of the time, and I could be sewing or making a YouTube video. Like, I don't have a lot of time to waste. So, convenient. And then, okay, also the price. Now, I can't remember what these were, but when you compare your price from your local fabric store or Walmart or something, Amazon is very comparable, and you know, it's probably a difference in 25 cents, $1 at the most. But yeah, next on my list is this light. Now, this light is what I need. My room that I sew in, it does not have the best lighting, so I have this LED light, very flexible, and I use this a lot when I'm doing my serging, because I want to make sure everything is looking when I use my sewing machine too, so serging and sewing machine, I want to make sure everything is looking great. Okay, even the glasses don't do the job alone, so I have to have this extra light. Even the sewing machine light, so I just need a lot of light when I am sewing. So this is a perfect little thing for me to have to sew with, and you know, it's a great addition to my sewing tools. Even though it's not a tool I would use to manipulate fabric, it helps me see better. All right, next I have my sewing needles for hand stitching. These are like the big quilting size though, but I ordered a couple of different sizes. Love these as well. They come into a little vial like this, with a little top on it, and you're good. So sewing needles are great at Amazon. Also, I have some sewing machine needles that I'll share and link in the description box that I bought. And you get a variety of pack, different sizes, I believe 10 to 16. And those have been working well for me as well. However, some machines require specific needles. Those are like a generic brand, but they've been working for me with my sewing. So the last thing on my favorite list from Amazon is that cute little thread rack back there. I really didn't want to do like a pegboard on the wall. I have a lot of different art and pictures and knickknacks on the wall, so I wanted to keep it that way and have a little artsy, you know, creative vibe in here. So I didn't want to do a peg wall, and I found this little cute thread rack there. Easy. I'm kind of running out of space though, so there may be a problem. And I have to figure out what I should do next. Any ideas? Leave me a comment about how you organize your thread, because I don't know. But yes, so those are my favorite things from Amazon for my sewing tools. Thank you so much for watching the Tracy Show. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.